Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I am in Bangalore. So basically I'm in Bangalore to prep for our Ladakh ride, and today we are going to ship all our motorcycles from Bangalore to Chandigarh. So that's why I'm here. I've been in Bangalore for the last couple of days, just doing all the back end work and making sure everything is fine as per what our plans are. So today we have all our riders from Bangalore coming to Bangalore, and we are going to a place called Vxpress, where we are going to ship our motorcycles to Chandigarh. So we've got about 5 bikes today. My bike is already gone from Delhi to Chandigarh, so that's taken care. And so today we have NKK, his X-Pulse coming in. Then we have Sham's motorcycle coming in, which is Impulse. And then we have Anvesh, that's his classic 350. And then we have Madhu, who has his motorcycle, which is the KTM Duke 250. And we have one very special guy also joining us for this Ladakh ride, which is DV in Kannada, Deepak. So he's also getting his X-Pulse Rally Edition. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So I am going to run you through the entire process of how you can ship your motorcycle to whichever city that you want to travel. If you're traveling from point A to point B, and if that is going to take too much of a time, the best thing is to do is ship your vehicle to that particular city and start your ride from there. So here, that's the whole idea. That's why we're shipping all our motorcycles on Vxpress. That's the courier company that we're using. So let's go and ship our motorcycles on Vxpress. And yes, I'll tell you how much it will cost, why you need to do that. So you have two options. You either ship on a train, or you can use the courier company. So any of these works.
A few moments later.
Here's DV's X-Pulse Rally Edition. So that's come on a carrier. We'll unload it, and he'll be joining us very shortly. And our man Anvesh is also here. They've come from Bangalore. And there is our NKK. So 3 vehicles have already reached here. So like I was talking, there are 2 ways you can transport your vehicle from point A city to point B city. And that way you can do it either by on a train or by cargo shipping. So here he's got it till here on a trailer, and then from there we will be doing a cargo shipping. So we are in a place called Vxpress. I'll show you, I'll give you more details on that. And we will be doing a cargo shipping from there. So the benefit of doing a cargo shipping, that is on a Anvesh, can you help man Paranjuru? So the benefit of cargo shipping is that it is more safer compared to sending in a train or something, because in train it's just all across. Okay. And payment or ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. So this is DV's X-Pulse, which is Rally Edition. So the difference between cargo shipping and the train is cargo shipping is safe compared to the train shipping. Ideally, it's always better to put on a cargo, but cargo will be slightly expensive than the train. So from Mangalore to Chandigarh on a train would cost me about 4,000 rupees. This is costing me about 5,800 rupees, and that again depends upon the cc of the motorcycle. This is a 200 cc. Up till 200 cc is about 6,000 rupees, and above is again more. So that's the difference. So we are just now shipping this. So this vehicle has come, and then we have classic 350, which is Anvesh's motorcycle. So we'll be shipping this also. And then we have Kirtan's X-Pulse as well. We'll be shipping this. And we are shipping all our riding gears as well. We'll get a box in which we will put all of them. And then my luggage is here. So my bike will directly come from Delhi to Chandigarh. Let me just show you my luggage here now. So these are the tires that I'm shipping for my bike, and then that's my luggage. So there I have my helmet, riding pant, riding gloves, jacket, all of it, barring the boots. Boot I'll wear and go. And waiting for a couple of more people. Madhu is yet to join on his Duke 250, and Sham will join on his Impulse, so that will come. So all of this will be shipped, and we need it before 2nd of June, so ideally it should reach. So we're shipping on the 20th of May, so they take easily about 10 days to reach. Yeah, so all set for now. So boys are all packing and getting their stuff clean and clear and putting into one bag so that we can ship it together. So ideally that's the best way to do. Send all your riding gear along with the motorcycle, so that if you're flying you don't have additional weight to carry. So mine was like I showed, all of my riding gear is in this, and that's the tire. So look at DB's motorcycle. He's done a couple of mods, first starting with his exhaust system, which is a full exhaust system, which he's modified. And then these are all the motor torque rack system that is done. Similarly with the crash guard, same with the front grille. He's kept the knuckle guard as stock. Ideally it's better to replace that as well. And then big thing, so these are equipped with rice tires. That's the trailer tires here. Same way even Kirtan is using a trailer tire on his motorcycle, both front and back, and they're all getting ready now. Model, check out the model here. So before transporting we'll have to remove all the mirrors, so that's what we are planning to do now. Remove the mirrors, and then we'll have to remove the windshield also, because they're saying it might get scratched, and we don't want any of their parts to be damaged. We're just taking off all the mirrors as well as windscreen. And now we are removing the number plate and windscreen of DV's motorcycle, because it's very, very important, or else they get damaged in transit. Tight. And guess who's here? The one and only Moto Champion. So Moto Champion has got his Impulse, which is also named as Mud Pod. Mud Pod is here. So yeah, after all the hard work, we just finished managing taking the side mirrors and also the knuckle guard of all the vehicles. Whichever vehicle is supposed to do that, we've done that. So only this bit is pending, and NKK is doing the hard work. I gave him the hard work. What to do? So in this series, or this episode, it's all going to be about transporting a vehicle, how much it's going to cost, all of it. We'll tell you how much it will cost once we finish doing the basic setup. Here's DV on his Gaja, and you saw his bike being parked there. So all set to send the motorcycle now. So that's his BMW 1250 GS, ready to send. So DV is just taking a spin of his motorcycle before we ship. So it's been installed with rice tires right now. So he's just making sure it's all fine. And there has both the vehicles, the 250 Adventure and also the Rally Edition of Xpulse. So just finished packing everything. So all our gears have been packed in this boxes, and then the bikes are also ready. All the bikes have been done, and then we have 2 other luggages along with this, which will go. Yeah, so that's where we are done. So that's it. We are done here. And this place is called Vxpress in Bangalore. This is in Laggeri. If you want to send your motorcycle anywhere in the country from Bangalore or across any places, you'll have to figure out which is the Vxpress place there. And then you can send. I'm going to put all the details in the description. You can check out their phone numbers, the packing person's phone number, Anoop, who's helped us to get all this, their phone numbers, and the location as well. And you can come see how beautifully everything is packed very neatly. And the bike will be packed as well in some time. We haven't had our lunch. It's already 2:30, so we are going to have lunch and then leave back to Mangalore. So this is our first leg of the ride towards Ladakh. So what you need to do, how you need to transport vehicles. So like I mentioned, two ways to transport. You can either send it through courier or by train. Courier is the most safest way. Train is a little difficult. And look at these boys playing around to see who's going to come in the camera. Yeah, that's it for now. I will see you guys once our Leh ride starts. So stay tuned, and anybody who wants to get in touch with Vxpress, numbers in the bottom, you can check with them. And last information, what's the cost of sending each of this motorcycle? So they are charging us about 6,000 rupees per motorcycle, and they're giving one box where you can actually put all your stuff, that's your riding gear, and send. So it's 6,000 rupees. Anoop Singh, he's the person who's coordinating for all of it. You can get in touch with Anoop, and yes, it's 6,000 rupees to send your motorcycle from Bangalore to Chandigarh. Puttur, Sulya, Karkala, Puttur. Yeah. Baradu.
Hasana, Sakleshpura, Gundia, Uppinangadi, Mani, BC Road, Puttur. Exam
So just finished loading all our motorcycles at Vxpress Bangalore to Chandigarh, and now on our way back to Bangalore. The helmet guy without his helmet, and also the motion sickness guy. He's got motion sickness only in the car. Yeah.
Nothing else and anywhere else.
And then we've got Sham, Anvesh, and then NKK, who gave the complete examination for Puttur Sulya Karkala route examination, and we are off to Mangalore now.